Hello everyone, today we are making the classic tortillas. These are really quite fun to make. There are 5 things in it, and all stuff you can find around the house if you're a chef. I mean, if you don't have the basic cooking things, then you probably won't find these around your house. But for most people, you will find these around your house. It's quick, simple, and a great snack. You can make this with butter instead of oil, but in my opinion, it's easier to do it with oil because it's easier to mix in because butter can be very chunky. Very satisfying. You kind of want to stir it. If you've ever made slime before, you will understand the consistency, but you kind of want to stir it until it feels like it's a little bit of a sticky slime. So it's like pulling away from the edges, and it will give you an arm workout for sure. You're going to want to put lots of flour down before you knead because it's quite sticky and you don't want to ruin your countertop. This was a very satisfying part. It's quite simple to knead. You don't have to be Albert Einstein. But it's quite simple. I don't know why it works. I don't know how it works. So we're just going to tell you to do it. You want to roll into a ball, and then you're going to want to cut it in half again and roll into a ball. The more you cut it in half, the smaller your tortillas will be. So 12 are large tortillas and about 24 are small taco size. We ended up with 16. We think this is a pretty good size. You're going to want to let it set for 20 minutes. This just allows the gluten to form, scraping away the old and replacing it with the new. There's never too much flour except for when there is too much flour. So what I mean by that is don't be piling on mountains of flour. But if you're worried about adding too much, you're probably not, because it'll shake off in the end. But the good thing about tortillas is that you can put almost anything on it. A trick I learned here is you turn it a quarter every single time. Now, my dad says it only takes 60 seconds, but he's really strong. I say it took 2 minutes, because I'm very weak. We also messed up. Yeah, we messed up big time. We stacked them on top of each other without putting something in the middle. They all stuck together.
Don't do this.
And it was not fun. We had to re-roll this. By we, I mean my dad. So I'd say definitely fry them while you're rolling them out. Like have 2 people, one person rolling, one person frying, and switch every now and then, because then it's fair. You want to put the oil down, put the tortilla in, let the tortilla cook, flip the tortilla, take the tortilla out, then wipe it away and add more oil. This is a very simple process. You will probably see little chunks of brown on the other side like you would normally see on a tortilla. The reason you wipe away the old oil is because you don't want the flour to burn. The favorite fillings in our house is cinnamon sugar with butter and pan-fried, so it's nice and crunchy. It tastes like churros. Of course, you can do the classic quesadilla. Cheesy, the stretchiness, it's delicious. Just an absolute delight. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bon appetit.